Another video postcard for you from Hanna and Borino.
Hello!
We are in Czech Republic in this lovely town called Luhačovice, which is a spa town. People come here to relax, to rejuvenate, to restart. Why do we travel?
That is a great question. To discover, to learn, to meet new people, try new food, see family, have fun, and repeat.
Yeah, and we've been doing that. To discover a lovely place like this, you attach memories, pleasant times, good times. What do you think is the difference between the traveler and the tourist?
We are very flexible. So when something does not go as we planned, we are happy to detour. We are happy to get lost.
Yes.
We are happy to get something what we didn't order because that gives us a chance to try something new.
True. We were on the motorcycle the other day on a lovely trip. Got completely lost, remember that?
Multiple times.
Multiple times, and lucky for us discovered a lovely new little road that got us to a very different place, but a lovely place nevertheless. Explore. It's okay to get lost once in a while. It's okay to try something that was not originally planned. If you stay flexible, things will work out at the end. They always do. And you may discover a gorgeous place like this one, like we did here, and have a good time and meet new people and try new things. Although one thing I will not try, and that one of the reasons people come here is for treatments. They drink this nasty water. What is that?
I will try it. I still have my wine sampling glass in this kangaroo pouch, as a friend of mine from Australia said, and then now I am ready. I don't have a wine to put in, but I have one of those natural spring waters which are here all over this little town, so I'm ready to try it.
So what we got here is 2013 spring water. Oh, slight bouquet of socks. Oh my God!
I trust you, honey. You can do it.
People actually drink this stuff. Can you?
No, you need to. You need to for your friends. Yeah.
All right, this is for you guys. Don't tell me I'm not your friend and I don't love you for the comedy purposes. Here we go. Oh my God. Ooh.
Come on.
You know, I had some bad shit in my life. That thing is bad. It's supposedly good for you, but I can't do it. You're a better trooper than I am. No good.
You know, once I will drink this glass, I'm gonna get some bubbles in it. How about that?
I would put 2 vodkas in it, maybe. I had that one sip. Can you tell the difference? Hold on, from profile. Better?
Oh my goodness, look at you.
Yeah. I need like gallons of that shit.
Have it in the shower.
But you know what's really cool? People come here for weeks at a time, right?
Yeah.
They drink this daily. They go for massages, they drink good food, enjoy concerts, walk around, read good books, relax.
Well, then of course you'll get healthier.
No wonder you look better and younger. Jeez. No, can't do it. No.
Please, just one more for me, please.
A cut. We're in the spa where people are supposed to drink the healthy stuff, but behind me, all the dudes, everybody there drinking beer. Would you come here for a couple of weeks?
Oh, absolutely, because for a couple of weeks, if you do as you say, everyone gets healthy, everyone gets happy, everyone gets chill and relaxed, and you can see it on people's faces around here, you know, it's such a slow pace. So honey, cheers to that!
Cheers to that, enjoy!
Yes, look at the napsané oříšek, čokoláda, nougat. They're stocking up. I think that will last for a week. So in Luhačovice, beside the special healing water, you can also come and taste the local specialty, which are lázeňské oplatky. And there's a big line, but what we'll do, I will show you right inside the factory how they are made. They come in different flavors, and they're always delicious. As a good daughter, I want my mom to be healthy, and I'm sharing the goodness. Napij se na zdraví, maminko, na zdraví. Don't be scared.
Didn't drink any.
You know what is funny?
I did.
You know what is funny? This glass never gets empty. Somehow we had it half full. We are walking with it for the next couple of hours. It's still here, so anyone else wants? Huh? Honey, you. You look thirsty. Papa looks...
Oh, we're out of battery. The battery is out. We're running out of battery. Oh, sorry.